So, I want to see what you guys think. Am I overreacting here? I don't know how good of a shot this is, but please tell me I'm not overreacting. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. This is the Vikings Garage. I'm coming to you guys from the future. The footage you're about to see was actually shot roughly about a week ago. I think that's true for a lot of the YouTubers. The stuff that we all watch, it's happened in the past. Anyways, what am I rambling about? But I am very happy to say that it is improved the handling of this car quite a bit. The car feels a lot stiffer in the front now, and I'm very happy I did it. Listen, spend a little bit of money, but you get something in return, right? What is he actually talking about? Well, check this out. So I figure I'd give you guys a quick tour before I start taking things apart. This is very typical. If you live in a state in which you deal with road salt, you should be expecting this. I am doing purely all this work because of the aesthetic side of it. I have no noises, no creaks, no anything. So we're obviously replacing struts, but while I'm in there, you guys already know how that goes. Trust me, I can assure you that this was one of many times that I actually had to pull out the torch. So if you plan on doing this job at home, you might need some heat. So now that we're done with all the torching, let me show you guys how these two of our bushings are oriented. So you always got the opening there. Don't worry about the opening. This is what you got to worry about. That always goes to the inside. I know that's going to make it one opening be to one side and the other one be to the other, but trust me, by the book. This one goes here like so. This one's here, like so. If I can do this one-handed, it's probably gonna be hard. Gotta put the camera down. Right. So when everything's said and done, inside, and yes, this is a left and a right, different part numbers. I actually left this entire clip here for you guys to see that sometimes you got to try different things. I can assure you, after I cut the image on this one, I had to pull out the torch because the top nut was just not coming out. But the key here, guys, is don't give up. And obviously, don't go crazy like I was, because if it's not coming out with the gun, you definitely got to try something else. But the key is never give up. You got this. There you have it, guys. All of this was over that. So, but you know what? All in all, get some new bushings. We're gonna have that guy brand new too. So, yeah. Well. And I figure before we put her in her resting place, let's hit it with some more of this undercoating, right? That should do the trick. So in recap, guys, So we have our bushing, so we have our link, strut, and also as much hardware as I possibly could, I replaced. That includes all 3 of the top nuts on both sides. And that's it. This is the stuff that was in my car. Was this, while we're in there, a little overkill? You guys tell me. That boot actually ripped on the removal. These bushings shortly look a little worn. And yeah, obviously this is what started the whole thing. I have to say, not easy to tell, but these bushings were starting to get a little worn, I guess you can say. And as you can see here, I did replace previously the rear shocks. You guessed it, because the top hats had a little too much rust. So I had previously on FJ Cruiser video promised you guys this one. So your AC evaporator has a drain, which you can see here. But in our cars, drops right on top of the frame. You don't want that, because water in there obviously is going to promote rust. So today, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix that. You get a little fitting into a hose. I happen to put that clamp on the actual evaporator hose because I want it to be secure, and it's pretty simple, really. I'm routing it on the outside of the frame because I don't want it on the inside. Inside would be too close to the exhaust system. Obviously heat could potentially melt the hose, but as you can see here, this is so simple that you guys can do this at home. All you got to do is remove that fender well cover that I am now reinstalling back. And the cover itself, as you can see here, it's actually going to hold the hose in place. And that is it, guys. It's that simple. Now, in the summertime, while you are enjoying your AC in your car, you can rest assured that the hose on your AC evaporator drain is going to be draining on the floor and not your frame. Hinting you guys on the next video, there will be some modifications to the exterior of my car that I've been dwelling on doing, but no more procrastinating around here. We're gonna get things done. So what were your thoughts, guys? While I was in there, did I get a little too carried away? Would you have done the same thing? I personally think I did the right thing. You know, you're taking the sway bar out, might as well replace that stuff, you know? Torching or no torching. I'm pretty pleased. I like the way the truck feels now. And yeah, I will keep on cranking on these videos. I hope you guys are enjoying them. I appreciate all of you. And I will catch you guys on the next one. As always, guys, if you have any questions, because I know I didn't get very technical, drop me a comment down below. If you guys notice, I answer all your comments and questions, so I'll continue to do so. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you on the next one.